Hi everybody, it's Keishel, and I just recently saw on Instagram eyelash extension kit. I've been interested in eyelash extensions for the longest now, but I took it a step further and actually bought the stuff. Now, when I looked online, there was like a whole bunch of places that sold it, but they were like 200. One even asked 600 stuff. So I checked on my local Walmart, and I found an eyelash extension kit for only $35, and I was like, oh snap, this is perfect for a beginner. So in this kit comes with a mannequin. This mannequin you practice. So initially it's like this, and you have the person's forehead, and they come with the little eyelash, individual lashes, and you're supposed to put the lashes within them. This kit is really cool because it comes with the individual lashes. This is 10 millimeters. Super excited. It also comes with a bag so you can carry this, and I thought this was so awesome because not a lot of eyelash kits just came by itself. And you know, I'm going to be going away for the summer, so I was like, hey, why don't I practice? This also comes with a tweezer, and it's not it's a special tweezer. Like, I think this is the one that you use to like separate the individual lashes. And it also came with I think it's called a jade stone, the mascara brush, and these, I think you put glue on them, or I'm still learning this whole process, but I believe you use this to like separate the lashes. And CUD, I do not know, but I'm gonna get more research on that. But yeah, it comes with 4 of these, which I'm kind of sad because I'm gonna run out really quickly. And it also comes with some tape, because you know, when you're doing your person's hair, your eyelashes, you're gonna have to tape the lids down to practice on the person, so that the bottom lash, the lower lash, won't get tangled or in the way when you're doing the person's eyelashes. It comes with another tweezer. Now, this tweezer is different from this one because it is straight. This one's curved, and they're stainless steel. And they come with stencils. So this is basically, you're supposed to put the hair within the area so that within each quadrant it's not too much, you know. It's basically, you're supposed to make sure the hair is evenly distributed, and not like having like 18 here and there and there. So it's just basically a little tool that you use. And last but not least, I'm so sorry, they came with 5. So I am super happy with this set. Like, it's like really awesome. This is just, I believe this is perfect for beginners, because like all this for $35, and I checked online all these websites and they were like bugging out, but this is great. And the mannequin itself, like, I checked online, it was like $80 for individual. These, I'm telling you guys, this is like a perfect kit for like beginners, like if you're just trying to like start on your own. I am gonna watch a ton of YouTube videos to just practice on, but this is just really exciting, guys, and I just wanted to share. Like, for $35, like, you cannot lose with this. This is a total win. Like, win. Like, and it came with a bag, and it's purple, and it's my favorite color. Like, come through. I'm so happy. Like, I'm gonna draw some eyeballs on her because she looked really sad. And this is what the back is. You can also like have one of those holders. It's weird. I don't know how to. It's like a stand that you put it in so that it won't be all like flopping. But this is so cool, guys, and I just wanted to let you know how fucking cool this is. Like, and then I'm also gonna practice on my sister when I get better. Wow, I am so happy. But I just wanted to do this quick video to just show you guys, like, I'm so happy. So if you like the video, subscribe, comment if you need, ask questions, and have a good day.